Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey coming at you. It's the Shamstoppers. You know what I'm saying? About to break out off some education. I would like to say this is not no sovereign citizen movement whatsoever. We're gonna talk. That's what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about when people get divorced about child support, concerning child support. Y'all ready? Check this out. This is one of my old books. This is still law today, people. Obligation to support. A husband is legally bound to support his wife in a style fitted to his income. Did it say fitting into his earnings? No. Income, because they got you programming saying income. What about your earnings, players? Well, let me read on. A husband is legally bound to support his wife in a style fitted to his income. She loses this right if she deserts her husband or commits adultery. Do you see that? Deserts her husband or commits adultery. So fellas, if y'all got some women, your ex-wife, well, I'm gonna break that down. If the husband deserts the wife, she is entitled to pledge his credit to obtain necessaries for herself and the children of the marriage. Okay? And I told you we deal with common law. And common law is still here, people. Don't get it twisted. At common law, a wife was under no obligation to support her husband. But the National Assistance Act 1948 and later enactments have gradually extended the obligation to both parties. Now, if she deserts her husband or commits adultery, why do they say he? Because he is the owner of that woman. Okay? You see that? Huh? That's what I'm talking about. See that shit? Common law, a wife was under no obligation to support her husband. Did it say common law is still in existence? Fellas, common law is still in existence today. Alright? You see this shit, right? You see this shit, right? Huh? We dropping these jewels over here. This is the greatest channel on YouTube. Fellas, I'm going to tell you something. You fuck up when you go get a marriage license. That's where you fuck up at. And I'm going to leave it at that. Okay? I can say no more. You see that shit, right? That's law. So if your ex-wife or your wife decides to go cheat or desert you, you don't owe her shit. And anyway, you don't owe her anything when y'all depart from each other. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all something else too. Magistrate's jurisdiction. Magistrates courts have summary jurisdiction in domestic proceedings where a wife applies for maintenance from a deserting husband or an order for judicial separation on the grounds of persistent cruelty or adultery. The magistrate may order husband and wife to live apart and award custody of the children to either party with provision and maintenance. Now, you can't say we ain't the greatest channel on YouTube because you learn shit on here too. I tell it in a intelligent way. I tell it in a hood way. You know, I tell it however you want to hear it. That's what time it is. Okay? That's how we doing this shit. This is the greatest channel on fucking YouTube. Now, we had one brother whose wife cheated, left him, and he paying child support. But you know what? And that's the dude we did the refund on. And we tried to tell this fucking fool. See, we know what we're talking about. We don't have time to be playing fucking games with people. Now, the reason why I ain't come out with a video yesterday because I've been working. Okay? I've been working. So if I don't come out with a video, that means I'm working. Alright? Fellas, if you need help showing you how to do a good marriage, hit us up. If she don't want to do it your way, then she ain't the woman for you because it's your way or the highway. Okay? Because they gonna get in line. They gonna get in line. They gonna have to bow down. And fellas who you got good women that listen and is obedient, hey man, big ups to you. Shouts out to you. You got your woman you can build with. Alright? Because we got some disobedient women out here who think they men and think they have power and they don't. They do not have power. Because if women have power, Hillary Clinton will be the president, right? Right. And you people hating on Trump, some of you people, you don't understand what's going on. It's to wake up manhood. That's it. Stop being a bitch. Stop telling me, well, I gotta ask my wife for this money and this and that. No, her money is your money. If not, tell her to get the fuck on. She ain't your wife. Her property is your property. And she is your property. Okay? That's how we doing it. Alright? Her property is your property. Whatever is hers is mine. So, let that be a lesson to you, some of you softies, soft guys, pussies. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got some shit for you. You want to be a pussy? You want to be a pussy? Fine. We got a place for you. Like I said again, I repeated myself, you know, because I'm tired of hearing pussies complain, bitch, whine, and moan about how shit ain't fair. Alright? Y'all know how to contact us. Hit us up. We dropping these jewels off. You know what I'm saying? I got more shit, man. I told you, man. Hey, we got more shit over here. We just being polite. Okay? Because we're not here for competition. We're here to dominate. Alright? Because we're dominating. Because we're dominant. And we're men. Alright? Men are dominant. Pussies ain't. Pussies is not dominant, alright? Peace.